This video is going to walk through the process of adding AutoScalr to an application that is built and managed using Terraform. So here I have a very simple application defined in Terraform. It's nothing more than a launch configuration and an auto-scaling group. I've already deployed it to AWS, and in fact you can see there's the auto-scaling group right there. So the steps to add AutoScalr to this application is to first come to the Manage Apps, add a new app, select Terraform, and before we start modifying the Terraform files, there's a couple of steps you have to take first, as described here. This is the GitHub repository for the Terraform provider for AutoScalr, and it has detailed instructions on how to use. The requirements are Terraform 0.10 or later, and Go 1.9 to build the plugin. The steps to go through is first to just do a go get on this repository, which I'll do right here. And then to build the provider, we just go to that directory. And run build. So that created this Terraform provider AutoScalr file, which we're going to use as the plugin. As the instruction shows, this is the directory that you need to put it in. So I'm just going to take this path, go to the terminal. We're going to copy that file. And now it shows up here in our project. Now we need to do a Terraform init to initialize that plugin. And now we're ready to start modifying our Terraform files. So here's what you need to add in order to enable AutoScalr. Copy this, paste that in here. So just like in the CloudFormation case, we do need to specify which auto-scaling group to attach to. Since it's right here in the same file, we can just reference it by name and put it in here. And one other thing to note, this puts the API key right in here, but it's a best practice if you're going to be putting this into source code control to not put API keys into your source. So you can alternatively specify this via an environment variable AutoScalr API key. So that's it. We should be able to do a Terraform plan. And it detects the changes that it needs to make. We do a Terraform apply, and it will apply those changes. And now we've enabled AutoScalr for this application. If we go to the AutoScalr UI, we can actually see we now have the Terraform app. And within the next few minutes, we'll start replacing instances with Spot in a managed way, and you'll start to see savings. And just like with CloudFormation, if you do come along and do a Terraform destroy, it will deregister itself from the AutoScalr service as it's tearing down these resources. For more detailed documentation, you can go here on the GitHub repository, and it documents all the different arguments that are supported within the Terraform format.